Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you want an easy way to earn passive income online, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the Profit 5 system. This is a done-for-you affiliate marketing system for generating income with minimal effort. With Profit 5, you can earn money online in under 30 minutes a day. You don't need an email list, paid traffic, or any experience. How does it work? It's simple. First, access the system and unlock 5 pre-built profit funnels. Next, set up your funnels by following easy setup instructions. Then drive traffic using free methods. Finally, start earning commissions as visitors turn into sales. One standout feature is the high-ticket method included. Users reportedly earned over $2,200 in just 24 hours using free traffic. Let's highlight some benefits of Profit 5. First, no list is required, so you can start earning right away. Second, you'll use free traffic methods to attract visitors without spending on ads. Third, it's beginner-friendly, with step-by-step training included to guide you. And don't forget about the high-ticket commissions. You can earn significant payouts. Profit 5 is affordably priced at a one-time fee of $5. This is a great offer, but it's limited time only. Now let's go over some pros and cons. Pros include low-cost entry, easy setup, and the inclusion of a high-ticket method. Plus, no prior experience is needed. On the flip side, results may depend on individual efforts, and scalability can be limited without reinvestment. Overall, if you're a beginner wanting to explore affiliate marketing, Profit 5 offers a solid foundation. Ready to give Profit 5 a try? Click the link in the description below to get started. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.